Alright, well here we are at the 4500 building, Cedar Trails. There was backup in the floor drain. It backed up and there was some material, I don't know, some waste in the trap and in the floor drain line. So this is the floor drain line here. You can see it's pretty scaled up and rusty. And it drops into the 4-inch line, the inner main. And you can see it's pretty corroded. And on the top there's a bunch of scale. It's rusty. What's more concerning is probably the bottom, but the top doesn't look good either. We're going to try and push through here and still be able to come out on the other side. Being able to see. You can see it's really low right there. And into the water. So that was at beginning right at about 11 foot 4 inches. It's fairly consistent all the way to there. So about 10 feet of pipe. But yeah, you can see the ridge right there. So yeah, the pipe is pretty bad.